Hey guys, what's going on? We're out here checking out a brand new, to me, boat that's now being offered in Canada here. ACI Catamarans. Aluminum or steel adventure yachts. These are awesome. Port Townsend, Washington is where they're being manufactured. We're gonna do a full walkthrough. Start out at the aft end of the vessel. There's also a ship right next to us. It's the same brand. We are going to go check that one out after. But I thought I'd start off with this one. Beautiful helm station. And I'll show you in a second, there is like a built-in boarding ladder at the very aft end off the transom. Looking up the port side. Right when you enter, off the starboard side, you have your galley. I like the black finish. That's gorgeous. Oh, that's stainless steel? Etched? That's a really nice sink. The Lumacat 34 by ACI. Electric cooktop. Dometic fridge. Nice helm station right here. Ooh, shockwave seat bases. Dual Garmins. And you got your beautiful dinette over here. Oh, with a map. Interesting. I feel like I should know where this is, but I don't. Very large V-berth over here. I wouldn't even call it a V-berth, I guess, because it's like a catamaran. But very large forward bed area. Passenger seats or guest seats. Nice grab rails. To the day head. Yeah. Oh, and it's a wet bath too. That's very convenient. I would expect that. You don't use this as a fishing vessel. We're gonna step up on the starboard side. We're gonna walk along. Up to the bow here. It's all covered in like the sea deck type material. Tons of room though. You've got tons of room up here. Store all your stuff. And there's this really neat boarding right off the stern. That's sweet. Whoop. I know steel and aluminum boats are becoming very popular right now. I've always been a fan of catamarans, but I've always thought the layout of them has been kind of weird. That sounds kind of counterintuitive, especially with sailboat people, I know, but whatever. But I'm liking this. I mean, it'd be a nice day trip. I don't know if I could see long-term staying on this thing too long, because you only got maybe 2 beds, so maybe 4 people. I hope they do well. I'd like to see more of this. So there's the Lumacat 42, the Lumacat 38, and the Lumacat 34. We're currently on the Lumacat 34. Powered by 2 Yamaha 450 V8, 5.6 liters, the XTO Offshores. So this is the Sistership. This is also an ACI out of Washington, Port Townsend. These are aluminum catamarans. They're definitely aluminum. I don't know why I said steel in the last one. That was really dumb. But I like the gangway. I don't even know what you'd call this, but the stern entrance, just right onto the aft deck. Huge aft window that opens right up. Nice little helm station. There's starboard entry on the aft deck, but not port. Extra little seat there. You've got cutting boards. We're gonna walk up the starboard side. Up to the bow here. This is where that really cool, we've got this wonderful seating. Now basically the coolest part, look at, oh, right into the water. Just dive right in, beach landing basically. That's sweet. Although I don't know with hydraulics how handy that would be, especially if those fail or something. But that's pretty cool. I like the idea of that. That's super sweet. Imagine you could just like launch a little mini jet ski or something off that. I like the stitching that they did on the seating too. That's really nice. This would be your little mini galley. Nice Dometic fridge, a little bit of storage, sink. Probably no cooktop. Doesn't seem like it, but that's okay. Probably bring a little barbecue or something with you. Little head. Storage over there. Just a little. Yeah. Oh, it could become a bed. You can cover up the day head in here and sort of just have like a small little cubby storage or a little day bed. That's kind of handy if you absolutely needed to sleep somewhere. I like the smaller one better, and I think it's more a little utilitarian. They do kind of blend that line of yacht, I guess. I guess it's just with the amenities you get. You do get quite a lot of stuff on here for like what could be considered just a fishing vessel, but it is quite nice. Yeah, I hope ACI does well here. This could be cool. It'd be neat to see more Pacific Northwest vessels and stuff.